Hey everybody, my name is Drew, and today we're going to talk about the navigation bar, which is that black bar across the top of your screen in VibeCloud. It has lots of really useful tools that are available to you on just about every page that you can be on in VibeCloud. And so using these tools and understanding what they're for will help you to be a more efficient user of VibeCloud. So let's jump right into it. So here we are. It's this bar right up here at the top that we are talking about. And I'm just going to work from the left to the right. So first of all, you've got this VibeCloud button right there, which you can click to just quickly take you to your dashboards. And then next, we've got our search bar right here. So the search bar searches for what we call My Contacts. So you're going to be able to search for any contacts that belong to you right here, and you can search for them using things like their names and their phone numbers and their emails. That will bring you to a search result of all contacts that match what you type in right there. Then next up, this plus button right here. What that does is it's your quick add button. And so when you click on that, you'll have your quick actions where you can create, for instance, contacts, contact lists. You can also initiate communications like sending an email nice and quickly, sending a text message, even initiating a mass email can all be done right here. Additionally, you've got your uploading file and media. So if there's a video that you want to just upload into the system and have added to your content, you can do that right here as well. Next up, we got our text conversations. You'll see right here, there's that little one badge on that right there. And what that signifies is that I have one unread message. So at a glance, you can look at this and see, is there a message that has come in that I'm unaware of? And when you click on it, it will then bring you over to your text conversations page as well. So it can be used for seeing if you've got unread stuff, as well as a really quick access to your communications. Next up over here, we've got our chats. And so this is for internal chats across other team members in your account, as well as guests who are in your suites. So the little orange icon that you see on top of the chat icon, or orange badge, that tells you that there's an unread message. So when we click on this, it opens up a little modal right there. And I can see at the top of this right here that here's my unread message that hasn't been viewed just yet. Now, this heartbeat looking icon, that is your notifications. And so these are going to be basically any kind of notification that isn't that we didn't just talk about, like like text messages or chats. This will be just about everything else, and that could include, like, if you uploaded a video and it needs to encode before you can use it, you'll receive a notification telling you that your video has completed encoding. You can see that in this example right here. Also, if you are uploading a large quantity of contacts that takes a little while to process, you'll receive a notification here telling you that that has completed. Basically, background processes that happen asynchronously, you're going to receive notifications here telling you when they're complete. And then all the way to the right here, we have a profile drop-down menu. You can click on that, and have a couple of options here, including your settings. So you can click on that settings to take you straight to that, as well as a logout option there too. Now, as a little bonus here, there is one thing that can appear in your upper menu or in the navigation bar that isn't appearing right now, which is starred filters. So I'm going to create that right now. So I'm going to contacts, got a filter view selected, and there's this little star icon right there. I'm going to star it, refresh the page, and now in this in the navigation bar, we can see this starred filters button. I'm actually, just to best illustrate, I'm going to leave the page that I'm on. And now let's say that that filter view that I starred right there is something that's really useful to me in my day-to-day. I can click on this right here, and within 2 clicks, go straight to that filter view that I've starred. So as an example, if there's a filter view of contacts that you find yourself really going to frequently day to day, or same thing could be for accounts and for tasks, anything that can have a filter view, you're able to star that, and then it'll appear within a click in your nav bar at the top. So that, I believe that just about concludes it. Yep, that is everything here to talk about with the navigation bar. So I hope that this has been helpful and has maybe given you a couple of tips for how you can make it easier to navigate through the system, get stuff done in fewer clicks. So reach out to us if you have any questions, and thank you very much.